So I'm thinking about doing a block today. It's absolutely pouring down, raining sideways. I reckon there's going to be some good prices today. There's got to be. I'm going to have a look on the app and see what there is, and if there's anything decent I'm going to take it. I reckon there's got to be something on there for 70 quid, 80 quid plus. I did see one the other day for about £82 or £81.50 when it was raining like this, so I'll have a look. It's 11 o'clock at the moment, so there should be more on there shortly. Yeah, I don't know about this though, it's pretty rough out there. Just had a cheeky bacon roll, black coffee. I'm probably mad going out there doing the deliveries. Give it a go though, I think. God, it's blowing.